don't think my other thing taped, but now it's taping. A little wine. Seasoning le chicken in Lydia's kitchen. Got my rice going. Ooh, look at that. Oh, baby, I'm dangerous. Saturday night, just went to the great debate and feeling, your place. Got my little adobo. I'm seasoning, man. I'm hyping. All right, getting it together here. Got a little Lowry seasoning. Okay, can I do a high kick in the kitchen? All right, let's try it. Let's see. Ow! And this kitchen is small. Oh, I wonder if I take you home. All right, Nikki. I'm out, y'all. This is New York coming to you live. Mwah.